In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a video to your Wix website. Now, this is very quick and easy. All you have to do is follow these simple steps and you will be able to add a video to your Wix website. Now, the first thing, guys, you want to do, you want to click on My Sites in the top left. Now, after you click on My Sites, you want to click on Go to My Sites, as you can see. Now, here it will show you the list of your websites. You want to select the website that you want to add a video to. So for example, I'm going to select this one, click on Select and Edit Site, click on it, and here it will take you directly to your website. If it doesn't, all you have to do, you want to click on Design Site in the top right. It says their Design Site. Click on it. Alright, now you want to wait for it to load. It takes a few seconds. Now, after it loads, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a video in a few steps. Now, the second thing, guys, you want to do, you want to click on Add Elements, or this plus button in the top left. It says there, Add Elements. Click on it, and then you want to select here Video and Music here, like where it says Text, Image, Button, Stripe in the left. Click on Video and Music, and then as you can see, a lot of people who watch these videos, they want to add a single video to their Wix website. Now, what you want to do, guys, as it says here, to add, just drag and drop. Now, you want to drag this or move this, press and hold and move it to your website. And here you can move it anywhere you want. Now, if you want to change the video, click on Change Video. As you can see, it says here, Change Video. Click on it. Now you can upload a video from your computer or laptop. If you have it on your laptop, just click on it, click on here. Or you can, after that you want to click on, after that you want to click on Upload Media, click Upload from Computer, and then select the video that you want. You can also get the video from YouTube directly. You don't even have to download it on your laptop or computer. Now wait for it. As you can see here, guys, click Add to Page, and as you can see here, the video has been added. Now let's say that you want to add a YouTube video. Just click on YouTube, and here you have to paste the link of the YouTube video. For example, I'm going to select a random video here, click YouTube, and for example, I'm going to select any video, for example this one. Just copy the link of the video and paste it here. Okay, and as you can see here, the video will be added to your Wix website easily. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.